If their people would have been ready, I can actually decipher everything for you guys. But it is very sad reality, really. Like they don't want to see the truth because there is something else which is more important. Money, power. Like I see everything in this world. I can tell which guy is like what person, which girl is like what. And it's very easy to tell also. It's not like something which is, now it's not just intuition based. Basically, I have spent a lot of work in connecting the intermediate pieces. So it's not just like intuitively I'm knowing it. I know it by seeing the action, by the even the tone of the voice in which someone speaks, the way they sit, how they treat the environment around them. You can tell what kind of person this is, Like yesterday I told you an example, no? Like the difference between the mindset of a white person and an Indian person most of the time. Now here I are talking about good Indian people, okay? We are not talking about the the Kaurav. Like when you see, Indian people they sit with a certain kind of contentment or containment of their own energy. But white people see, like they sit, like they will be like, yeah, this is my country. Yeah, I will do whatever I want. And this happened like today only, like 1 hour back only. There is this like white guy which has entered into our dormitory, which is completely full of like bullshit, So his energy is constantly, you can see, like it's a very triggering energy. Triggering energy means like it's rotating at a very high pace. So something which is rotating at a very high pace, something which is still, if it touches it, then it's harmful, no? And all of this is coming from the internal insecurity. The more internally insecure someone is, the more hyper or anxious they will be in the outside. Like right now also I can tell you, like you see this ghat, like most of the people are sitting silent. Most of them. But if you spot like particular white people, they will always keep talking. They will never still silent. Like there is no mechanism in which they can control their mind and mouth connection, And this is a pattern everywhere. Where do you live? I live inside here. This is my home. Okay, the Aarti is starting now. But we will finish some of the topics. Now let me put it scientifically, okay? If you think, I'm kind of like just putting negative stuff out there. How do you get caught in the trap of time? Now time is an illusion, So you decide after 5 hours you are going to do this. And then you decide after that you are going to do this. So you are laying out a mental projection. The strong the mental projection of someone, the less conscious they are about the present. So that white guy that I met, he has a very strong mental projection. Like he has decided his next 3 months. And then he is running like with a very high energy to do it. But then you are not conscious. You are completely in your own world. And this there are another way I decipher this also. There are people who talk about other people. The three-way communication happens, no? So either you speak to yourself, or you speak to another person, or you speak to the universe. Similarly, either you talk about yourself. Now this was like in practical sense. Either you talk about yourself in a conversation, or you talk about the reality or the universe. Like, this river is like this, and the earth is like this, so this is talking about the universe. Or you talk about the other person. Most of the narcissist, the egoist, or the people which we need to remove, they will always keep talking about themselves. Always. You will see. Now, see, it's very easy, no? You just audio record the soundtrack of the entire day and you evaluate how much time they spent on talking about themselves. I am doing this, I am going to do this, I need to do this, I this. And how much time they spent about talking about the universe. Basically, how do we make this world better? What is the problem here? What is this? Like, all of that. And how much time they spend talking, about someone who is in conversation with them. Okay, so, oh, you are doing it like that. Oh, so you are feeling it. How much is you coming? And how much is I coming? And how much is general universe conversation are coming, which are not I and you. These should be very easy, like to decipher these patterns in your life. Basically, it's a toxic masculine energy which has gone uncontrolled in this world, because the feminine has lost its control over aggression. Like, basically, they have termed that feminine means no aggression. That's how spirituality is also corrupted. Like, people have started thinking that a spiritual person needs to be like calm and giving all the time, and we're like, yes, you come here, I will give you this. Yes, you come here, I will give you this. It's a weird image that is made in the minds of the people. Which is actually very surprising, because most of the people which we treat as great spiritual figures or great like avatars of God, they actually have killed so many people, they have fought so many wars. Like, leave the Ramayana war, even before that Ram killed so many Rakshas. So do you think that Rakshas will come to Ram and then he will be like, oh, I am the avatar of Vishnu, what do you need? Okay, you take this. No. So the feminine has lost its touch in wielding the power. So then you see the toxic masculine thus running around wild everywhere. They have no sense of boundaries, because they are completely in their own mind, It's only I, like that. So everywhere they go, they take their insecurity with them. And you can see the body language also. They'll be like this hyper all the time. Yes. Oh, so what are we going to do next? Yes. Yeah, I'm here. This. Like, if you measure their energetic bodily movements, you will find they are constantly like this. And all of this can be easily measured. These days you have AI and everything, You just record the video of someone the entire day, the audio of someone the entire day, and then you put these filters. Like, what is this guy talking about in his entire day? Is he talking about themselves? Are they talking about the universe? Or are they talking about someone else? Some other form in the universe? In video also, you can see how much bodily movements or energetic movements that person is making in the day, and how much of it is like, you have to understand it like very easily. Let's say you are in a confined space and everyone is like vibrating like this. Okay, now they are vibrating in their own space, so you can stay together also and you can vibrate also. But then someone comes with a very high, you're like so now this automatically induces fear in you, because that person is like uncontrollable. You cannot make the person stop talking. It's like a defective human machine only, which I have no control between the mind and the mouth again, same. And what is sad about all of this is not like these people are like that. These people are like that, that is fine. But it's like the other people who are feminine in nature, they don't do anything. They just watch and take it. They just say like, yeah, we are tolerant. Please give us more pain so that we can prove that we are tolerant. No, if you are tolerant, you don't need to prove it to anyone. If you are tolerant, then you understand. It's happening on every level, like on male female level also, in terms of Indian versus European level also. ऋषिकेश से नहीं जा रहे आप? हाँ, बात करेंगे. अभी तो ऋषिकेश में ही हूँ मैं. I have to do some more work here. महादेव का ऑर्डर आएगा तभी निकलेंगे ना. तब तक ऑर्डर नहीं आएगा तब तक नहीं निकल सकते. अभी तो ऋषिकेश में ही है, वहीं उसी घाट पे ही है. Like I have to take the brunt of all of this, man. Like because it feels like, I am the only one fighting. It's like everybody else is like busy in their own stuff, and I am the only one who is fighting to make the world a better place. So like yeah, we are focused on our business, we are focused on our this job, we are focused on our this job, but even the people who are supposedly on your side, they also are not on your side. They're like they want to play safe because everybody wants to protect their own little bubble identity. I mean, it is fine also. I mean, don't mind. I have fought alone only my entire life. It doesn't really matter because the truth is truth. So you need to fight for it. So whether someone else comes or not, it is irrelevant. It will be their karma. This is my karma. I do my karma, live my life, then go back to sleep. See, this is why, like, I have realized it for myself, now observing like my own patterns and behaviors.